गिरो तो बहुत बुरी लगेगी। कच्चे परियान में हूँ मैं अभी। हैया एक सेकेंड, ये ABS बंद कर दूँ, साला रुकती नहीं है बाइक। इससे बढ़िया बाइक है ही नहीं भाई 230 में कोई। मिट्टी के ऊपर से ऐसे गई है जैसे कुछ है नहीं नीचे। एनीवे वीडियो ऑन करके मैं कूद क्यों रहा हूँ इधर से उधर। सो द रीज़न आई एम मेकिंग दिस वीडियो इज दैट इफ यू नोटिस my handlebar, this is changed, right? This is not the original which comes with the, if you see this, there are the risers. So as you know, if you see my gear lever and brake lever, both are damaged, and also my handlebar got twisted twice. So I had ordered these fat handlebars. These are OEM again from Kawasaki. It costed me around 18,000, and but they come out like they are thicker and they come with a riser. There is no way to get them fitted on the same height. So yeah, that's why the handles are with the risers, right? So let me know how they look. This is how they look without hands. So yeah, I'm on this bike with new handlebars. They are a bit wider as well. If you see my stance, it is a bit wider, not much, 1.5 inch. That's only, or maybe 2 inch. I don't know how much difference that make, but bike the handlebar is up and wide, so it is more closer to me and I'm kind of feeling more in control. Other than that, my gear lever is done, so I have ordered this one. It will cost me around 11,000. This is brake lever. It will cost me around I think 6,700. What else I have ordered? Oh, okay, yeah, I have ordered a bash plate from the Kawasaki itself. That one would be around I think 2,500 or 3,000 maybe. And there is a I do not know, frame protector, not frame protector, but they would be here, so it would be protecting my legs, my boots from this frame. I don't know the real use, but in the pic they were looking a bit cool, so ordered them, that's all. One more thing, the grip I have ordered the Domino's, so that would take again a month or so. And one last accessory I have ordered for this bike is Desert Fox 6 liter. So that would be a kind of a soft jerry can that I can take to places and give me extended range, because you know the range on this bike is only 7.5 liters. That's a bit less. Let's see how does this perform. I have turned off the ABS. So let's find something, some empty roads. Road is busy. I don't know. Let's try. ABS is off. I don't know which on which gear I am. Yeah, I was on 5th. 200 and I need to brake. Woohoo. So I think it was near 110 and just I assumed that it would be 120. Pretty good for a 230 bike, 230cc with a soft suspension. And 15 is my guess. I'm on uphill now, so 17. I'll give it 122 because first I'm heavy, second I'm on uphill, and third I'm not taking any momentum, so yeah, let's call it 122. That's what Kawasaki also says, so we are even on that. This is a good bike to ride even on a road. You don't have to ride it on off-road. Why not on a road? Okay, let's do 0 to 100. 1, 2, 3. चल जा भाई, चल जा। मुझे तो ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है कि here, okay, this is okay place. Why to stop on a road when we can do that on a whatever. Fuck my English. I was searching for the side stand like I do in GS. Okay, let the engine running. So that's my bike. We made a video. Do you want to see what is there?